Hey everybody, Pat Kittredge here with Middle Atlantic Products and LeGrand AV at ISE 20, stand 2C50. Here to show you Forward, our new family of installation helpers and accessories, all designed around speed. So within the Forward family, we've eliminated rack screws for blank panels, vent panels, cable management by introducing a new rack rail specifically for the BGR series. What the new rack rail allows us to do is click in panels and, like I said, completely eliminate rack screws. We've also added some cable management accessories that use our patented universal hole pattern and simply twist into place and allow you to manage cables vertically and horizontally. We've also introduced small device mounting clamps. They install the same way into the pattern and then simply press down and lock the small device in place. So eliminating zip ties, eliminating small hardware, bubble gum to keep your devices secured on our lever lock plate. Also within the line is vertical cable management accessories that simply drop into the rack without the use of hardware. So designed for integration speed so you can get your systems, your AV systems out the door faster and focus on delivering the AV experience for your customers. We've just launched a line of DC power distribution products for the European market. It's our first power product for this market. I'm super excited. We have a before and after scenario here where you could see devices being powered using DC transformers, or wall warts as we call them, and then the same exact example in this rack, all being powered off of one single one-space unit. So completely eliminating that unreliable transformer and hardwiring it right into a nice DC power solution, cleans up cable management, makes power management much cleaner and more reliable.